Okay, children. So today, as for sixth, I had told about we'll be discussing regarding the let's recall the answers of all the textual after the chapter. So this is page number 9, and first let's discuss about let's recall. Okay, so match the following. What is the first one? The Narmada Valley. The answer for this is, as we have seen, means in Narmada Valley side, the people used to hunt and gather their food. So hunting and gathering are the main activities. So that is first answer. Second is Magadha. Magadha is a kind of region or a kingdom that was made by the people. Okay, we have seen in the explanation. So this is the second answer. The Magadha is for the first big kingdom. Third one is Garo Hills, and the answer for this is early agriculture. In Garo Hills, early agricultural activities were carried out. So this is the answer for this. Fourth is Indus and its tributaries. Those were the first cities that were made. So that is the answer for Indus and tributaries is the first cities. And what is the fifth one? That is Ganga Valley. The answer is cities about 2500 years ago. We have seen Ganga valleys were been in Ganga valleys. The cities were being created about 2500 years ago. So this is answer for fifth one. So what is the answer for list one? Major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Okay, so the answer for that is, here you can see, yeah, the major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. See, what is that? Manuscripts are the old handwritten books that give accounts. So manuscript means those were written by hand, so it were to give the accounts, or means to keep up the record. They used to write those things in by hand. So this is known as manuscript. And inscription means that are engraved form of writing used for various purpose. Means it is written on stones, and means it is engraved. It is carved and written on stones and used for various purposes. That is inscription. And the second point you can write difference, that is for manuscript, these are written on leaves and barks of trees. Manuscripts are written on leaves and bark of trees, and inscriptions were written on hard surfaces. That is example, for example, you can write stones, pillars and rocks. Okay, so these are this is the answer for the second one. And what is the third one? Is third question. It is moved forward for the let's discuss. So let's see. Return to Rashida's question. Can you think of some answers to it? So as we have seen in the previously in the chapter, when we started the chapter, we have gone through, means Rashida's question. What was her question? When she was reading a newspaper, she met with a small headline. What is that? 100 years ago. Then she asked, means how could one know about what happened many years ago? So that was the question. So according to her question, what is the what we have to think? We have to think of some answers to it regarding her question. So for that answer, you can write. This is the answer that we have. You can draw this written. Yeah, this is the answer. One can know what happened so many years ago. Means how can we know about the past? That was her question. So that is by the help of manuscripts, inscriptions, and also by old objects recovered from excavations. So these are the answers to it. Means you can draw like this, ways to know our past, and you can draw like a table format like this: the manuscripts, inscription, and also old objects recovered from excavation. So this is the answer for that question. So let's move on forward for the fourth question. What is that? Make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? So we have to make some lists. As we are explaining by, we have seen many objects regarding this. So which of these could be made by stone? We have seen that. So what is that? The list is like this, goes like this. The answer can be summarized through the following diagram. You can draw down this diagram. See, I'll put the PDF format of these answers. Okay, then you can write down, and or for these questions you can draw, and you have to draw this in your fair book and write. Okay, the answer for this is the objects can see archaeologists find, that is bones, coins, ornaments. We have seen as a part of explanation when we were explaining, I was explaining the chapter, we have seen these things. ornaments, pans, pots, weapons, tools, remains of buildings, old manuscripts, plant remains, inscriptions. So these things we have seen. Okay, so you have to draw this kind of figure like. Okay, for the fourth answer. What is the fifth question? Yeah. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did? Means there was a question, means while we were explaining, it was also a question why the ordinary men and people didn't keep their records. What is the reason behind that? So the answer for that would be for the question number 5. The answer for that would be it goes like goes like this. What is the fifth answer? C. Ordinary men and women did not feel the need of recording what they did. Why? Also, because they lacked proper writing methods. They did not have kind of writing methods. They didn't have that practice of writing. Okay, so that's why they didn't keep any records in a written form. So that is what the reason for this answer would be. Okay, and what is the sixth question? Sixth question goes like, so describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. So how we can say that lives of king would be different from those of farmers? The answer for that would be, you can write. So this is the answer. The lives of king would be different from those farmers in some ways. Means which are this? The kings set up large kingdoms, as we have seen while I was explaining. I said that they in that kingdom over there. So they used to means set up a large kingdom, and whereas the farmers' life was not like theirs. Means the farmers struggled so much in those times, in the past times. What is the second point that you can write? The farmers did not keep records of what they did, whereas the kings kept the records. So what that is the difference between those? Means the kings used to keep the records of whatever they did, while the farmers did not. And the life of kings were very easy as that of farmers' life. Okay, so this is the 2 points that you can write for the answer number question number 6. Okay, now let's see about the let's do portion also. What is that? What does it say? Find the word craftsperson on page number 1. So list at least 5 different crafts that you would know about today. Other craftsperson, men, women, both men and women. So for this this also you can if you need, you can write this. It's kind of an activity type, but if you need, I'll put the PDF format for these answer also. You can note down in your fair book. Okay, so the answer goes like this. See, the words, various crafts that dominate the present life are listed here. See, that is today's craftsperson means musicians, architects, industrialist, artist, sportsperson, writers, actors, scientists. So you can draw like this, the figure type. Okay, and you can write down the answer. These craftspersons are both, so we can say both men and women are found in this craftspersons. Okay, this kind of. Okay, the option was there. What is the question? Is it men, women, or both men and women? So answer would be the C, both men and women. Okay, so what is our 8th question over there? What are the subjects on which books were written in the past? Which of these would you like to read? Means in ancient times, in explanation part also it was there. Means what all things did the ancient books, what kind of books were there, so that we may get knowledge regarding these things. Those were, the answer goes like this. See, question number 8. The ancient books covered which type of subjects? Okay, the answer was we have seen in textbook also. See, religious beliefs, practices, lives of kings were there, medicines also were there. They taught us regarding medicines, regarding science also was being taught, regarding poetry, regarding drama, and also epics was also being taught. So it would really be interesting to read the epics of the past, and the Ramayana and the Mahabharata and Upanishads are some of the religions epics of the past. So these are the answers for the whole textual answers regarding this chapter 1. So I will be sharing you the PDF format also. Okay, so that's all for today, and tomorrow I'll we'll be discussing about the worksheet answers. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be providing that also in PDF also, and also before that I'll be uploading the video as kind of a discussion part. Okay, so That's all for today.